going to talk about Lyft, and they're announcing more driver tools in the app.
They are.
And what else are they adding? What else? Whoa.
They are. See, this was done properly, Uber. Lyft did send me this, right? Email me this. But there was no embargo on this. I talked about it a little bit last week, but I didn't have the screenshot. So improving safety and connecting our community. So Lyft is going nationwide with the rider verification tool, just like Uber. They're going to have a check mark now. Again, does it mean anything? Not really, because whatever. If it makes you look, if it to me it means something, because if it's going to make you feel a little bit more comfortable as a driver, if a rider has a check mark, great. Does it go as deep as I would like? Them uploading a government ID or something? No, of course not. Just like Uber's, but at least Lyft is going nationwide with a check mark after testing it successfully. Now you can easily register your dash cam. We're going to talk about that dash cam in a minute, but the dash cam registration. Dash cam beta program, Uber, Lyft, and Nexar are bedfellows. I don't know what the program is going to be like, but I think this is a good idea, right? Maybe they will give it to their best elite drivers, for a run.
But the only problem is some of those elite drivers probably already have dash cameras.
Potentially. No, the ones that they don't. I'm talking like as a perk or something, like the points or Uber Pro points, whatever. So that they're doing that. And road safety improvements, that's the one that Uber has been doing. I'm driving, and now there's like a little window pops up, right? On the bottom, it says, is the traffic done? Are the cops gone? Is the accident clear? I have to click on it. Like, I'm actually sending Uber my data now. And you know what else? Who else is doing that, Chris? Google Maps is doing it now. Google Maps pops up a little window on the bottom while I'm going somewhere. Is the accident cleared? I'm going like, there was no accident. You guys are late. But then I have to click on it, and Uber is asking me, and Lyft is doing the same thing now. How's traffic? Is, whatever. So I'm going like, I don't know. They're collecting our data and not paying us.
Roulette Wheel, thank you for the super chat.
Roulette Wheel, thank you. Charging what is search price per rider? Well, hey, I do that trip one after the other all day long, sir. But I do agree with you. On the back end, they charge with the multiplier, and on the front end, they pay you nothing. Okay, so maybe they didn't raise the fares in New Jersey. It's just $3.75. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Do you guys see that check mark? The one on the right-hand side, verified check mark. It looks just like Uber's, or the Twitter check mark.
Yeah, I think they're just pretty much the same. It's just a check mark, and there you go.
Yeah, and then Lyft added another thing in the app, Restroom Finder, so you can make a note for your next driver that you went to a McDonald's and it was clean and whatever. They even rate. You can rate the restroom actually that you went to, and they'll make a note and let the next driver know. And this is the real-time road alerts. It's just like Uber's. It'll show you. Do we have a screenshot on this one or no? No. It'll ask you about the road conditions. Traffic, is it cleared? Are the cops gone? I don't know, whatever. But now, Lyft is doing a lot of these things that Uber was doing it. And but the most important thing in that is obviously the verification, and this is what it's going to look like. Oh, there it is. Select the location for more info, public restroom. So Lyft is becoming a public restroom rating app. I'm joking, Lyft. I'm joking.
No, what are you talking about? That is, look, the center screenshot shows restroom ratings.
I know.
Rated by 25 drivers.
There's an app like
easy
there's
parking,
an app for
clean
that.
and well lit.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, Make more money and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
There's an app for that, by the way. Did you know that?
Isn't it like poo on the go or something?
Yeah, no, not poo on the go, but there's an app for that you can rate the restroom and you pay for the restroom actually with a lock on it. But anyway, so this is pretty cool, I think, right? I mean, Lyft, the app is already kind of glitchy. I don't know if this is going to make it more glitchy, adding all these things, layering these things on it. You know, how about you guys pay us a little bit more?
All I know is I do love the fact that it has little toilets on the map. I find that absolutely hilarious. Now, if they had like the little poop emoji, oh my God, I'd be dying. I'd be rolling on the floor dying.
Well, I would have put that there because it would have been funny that way. You know what I mean? But then I don't think Lyft has this. The corporate entities don't have that much sense of humor, Chris. Like,
no,
and then
you know
oh,
what?
look at, oh my God,
that's why they need to have me on as a consultant, so I can be like, no, you got to have like a little poop emoji because people will laugh at that and they'll be like, oh my God, that's great, and it'll make their day happier. And then they won't be so pissed off.
All three is for restrooms. It is for restrooms.
Yeah, because you're going to rate the restroom. They're asking about parking, cleanliness, and well lit, and then if there's anything else, it gives you the hours. It gives you, I mean, a lot of different things. So it honestly, that's kind of nice. Although, you know, sorry, ladies, but for me, it's quite easy because I just open up the door and I go. So it's quite simple that way because I usually drive at night, so I don't have to worry about that. But during the day, it's always good to know. But luckily, we have a Tim Hortons on every corner, so I just walk in there.
Yeah. No, I this is very detailed. I'll bet you they're collecting data, probably selling it to somebody. I'll bet you anything.
To the restroom app.
Yeah, this is way too much data for a bathroom. You know what I'm saying? You guys should have this on like some stuff that's not working. Put some work and man hours in that stuff, like scheduled rides and things like that. Come on. Anyway. So the big news is verification. So verification going nationwide. You guys will see check mark passengers going forward.
Yep. Well, I mean, it's good to have other things. So they're definitely adding a lot more,
they are,
which is nice. So
will
it all work seamlessly together? I don't know. We'll see. But like I say, if I see little poop emojis on my map, I'm just gonna be like, this is great.
Yeah, I know. No, that's cool. You know, you guys don't need to kill the messenger here. We're just telling you what it is. I mean, don't be negative on the
Josh. Useless. I concur. Give me the update that's going to say, hey, guess what? You're going to get a 20% pay bump. That's what I want.
Turbo.
No, on all rides.
Oh, okay.
Or better yet, give 50 rides and make an extra $350. Well, now we're talking.
Yeah, I haven't had one of those. I haven't had one of those.
Not in a while.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.